Guys, Jagweer back with another video of Catia V5, and in this video I will show you how to design this particular part on the right side of the screen. So let's get started. Just to let you know guys, this is part 11 of the Practice for Beginner series. So if you haven't watched the last 10 videos, please go ahead and have a look. And so let's start with this video. File, new, obviously you go to part and part 11. Alright, so now I will be starting with the two circles, as you can see right here. So I'm going to sketch on the top plane right there. I like to work in isometric as I've told you many times. So double click. I'm simply going to make two circles right here. Alright. Then give sketch. One is going to be 40, the other is going to be 80 right here. There you go. Exit out. I'm going to add it using mirror because that's what I like to do. Half of it 55 in dimension, isometric again, so I know that I have to make the base. But also the interesting part is both base and this whole profile is in one shot. That could be made in one shot. That's what I meant. So instead of making it separately, I will just choose right plane and start sketching all the entire profile in one shot. So it goes something like something straight. I will add the fillet later on. Come all the way down, but I'm not going to stop here. So I will simply, okay, wait. So there is this, that, okay, interesting. Okay, then I have a small radius right here. Okay, no, not that big of a radius. Something like this that goes out and comes straight back. Add the thickness, comes straight again, go straight up. Yeah, right there. Come somewhere here, horizontal. Yeah, that looks fine. I'm just going to keep it here. All right, and I'm going to simply offset this. So I'm going to first of all, I'm going to apply fillet right here on this point as 18, right? Then I'm going to choose this right here, these three lines, and then I'm going to offset it. Offset is right here. I'm going to offset this. So inwards or outwards, that all depend on how you have designed. So inwards for this one, because I've already mentioned 18 radius, which here it's outside, which is the outer rad. If this 18 rad would be given as an inside, then I would have taken outside offset. All right, and the offset itself is negative 12. All right, right here, as we can see, negative 12. Right. So now we have negative 12. We also need to mention right here, if you see 6 from the base. So I need to put it slightly above. Looks good. So this is going to be 6 right here. 6 in dimensioning. Then I also need to, this is going to be 18 as a thickness. Then there is a rad. So I know that this is, I'm just going to delete it for now. I'm going to add just any arc. 3-point arc will work, yeah. Here, this point, and not this. Okay, just a sec. 1 point, 2 point, and 3 point right here. There we go. Looks good. Looks fine. I'm going to add a tangent to here. Tangent. Perfect. And oh, my bad. The tangent was supposed to come from the inside one, not the outside. So this point till this point. Again, I forget again. 1, 2, and it's 3-point arc. My bad. All right. Tangent here. The rad isn't given. I'm guessing it's going to be 6. No, the rad isn't given though. So if this is not given, I'm just going to delete the rad. This distance is given though. From here till here is 6. 6. Okay. All right. It went that way. I don't want it there, so I'll bring it here back to normal. All right. And I can see that if I give particular dimensions of 6 from there, 6 from there is already given. I need to clear this line up. I need to bring this point here at the bottom and then equalize here and then complete the profile. Or there we go. Looks good. Perfect. And looks fine. I'm just going to make a line right here just to give dimension so that it could be okay. It's acting funny though. It's very weird, but it's acting funny. Okay. For some reason, it's acting very weird. I'm going to delete it. It started all good, but it's not working out to be perfect for some reason. It's taking long. Looks something like that. I can add a fillet of 18 right here. I'm going to have these 3 lines and I'm going to offset it inwards at distance of -12. -12 right here. Perfect. I'm going to trim this extra line. Right here. Okay, looks good. Let me make a tangent. Perfect. It looks fine. Not too bad. Now I can actually give dimension. That's what I think. Alright, I'm just going to close it. I'm going to give 6 from here till here. Alright, 6. Then I have the total thickness of this particular part to be 70. Then I know, okay, 125 from the center. So from the center till here is 125. 125. Okay. And then what's the distance from here this way? This thing is 18. Okay, this distance is 6. 6. Okay. All right. And what else is left? From top to bottom, eh? So from the very top till very bottom, it's how much is it? It's 120. Okay. Oh, very weird. Okay. Interesting. Okay, there we go. Now we have more of. Okay, going to go inside. There we go. Looks good. Okay. What else is left? Only the rad is left. This radius is not defined, so I'm guessing it's going to be coincidental with the horizontal line. Looks something like that. Yeah, I would say that. And here I'm just going to coincide this with the middle. Okay, coincide, and I will exit out. So in one shot, I will simply pad it, mirror it, and I will simply pad it 45, which is the thickness, as you can see right here. 90, so 45 and 45 each side, which looks fine. So I have half of it. All right, because this dimension is not given. but it doesn't make sense because the diameter up here is 80 and at the bottom the base is 90 and the entire profile is 90. So even if I extend it, it's still going to have some material on the side. So that's why I just extended it till the half. But here's the problem. So I have this particular face. So what I will do is I will remove it. And how will I remove it? By using features. Now, what kind of feature can I actually use? So there are different features. You can use fillet, and under fillet you have different options as well. All right. Sometimes they get hidden. That's another issue. That's why I need to find them. Because last time I was trying to find, and it was being a problem. If I extend the screen, let's say, there we go. All right. As you guys can see, this is the one that I have to use. This is, this is the only thing I did because sometimes they are hidden, so I'm not able to find them. So faces to remove, you choose face to remove, which is going to be this one, and faces to keep is going to be the inner circle. Click OK. It will eliminate the common. When the common part is gone, you have a through hole. So now all you need to add is a stiffener and few holes right here. So far we are going pretty good. So now I will start with the stiffener. Why not start with the stiffener and get majority of the work done? So I will use solute boundaries because I know that these are the only one that I have to use. Construction elements. Alright, I don't need this, I can delete this simply. Construction element, and I have to use the base as well. So reference base I'm going to use as construction element. There we go. I know I have to make a profile. That's very weird to be honest, which goes starting from the top and it goes at 12 as an arc, then it goes at a thickness of 24. Huh, interesting. This is not a normal arc as well. So 12 as a radius. Okay, so I'm guessing it's starting from 12, if I'm not wrong. Then it goes something like this, right? And then I have another arc that I have to use, another 3-point arc I'm going to use, which is what, 42 in radius? Another 3-point arc. I'm just going to simply use it. And then I have one straight line from the profile coming all the way straight till here, right? I'm going to make these two as tangent right there. Okay, I need to coincide them first. Coincide, coincide. Okay, not that way. I'm just going to, there we go. I hope that works. Okay, that's not going to work that way. Okay. Okay, let me use other solute boundary. Before that, I need to get rid of this one. I remove this, I remove that as well. Solute boundaries. Okay, it's going to give me the entire boundary. I don't need that much as well, but for construction for now, I'm just going to use it as a reference. Coincide, perfect. I have 12 as rad for this one, 12 as rad, then I have 42 as rad for this one, alright. Then it comes all the way straight down here and coincide with the top, right? It looks as tangent to each other, so that's why I'm trying to make them tangent. Looks fine. And the distance from somewhere here, I think this point till this line is 24. That's what I'm guessing, but not really, because it was supposed to be on the top. Okay, that's very weird to give dimension with. That's very hard to give dimension that way. Okay, what about if I made an axis and now I try to give dimension? Radius is 12, dimension is 24, but 24 dimension is slightly hard to understand what exactly that dimension is. So I'm just going to hope for the best, and that's it. I'm not even sure if stiffener is going to work on this because I never used stiffener with such profiles. But okay, luckily it's working. Sometimes it just started showing errors. Invalid profile. Okay, something like that. That's what I meant. Let's say if I click OK, it's going to work, but it's not letting me go beyond a certain distance of, I want it to be 7. Okay, it's going to show an error. What about 14 is something that I'm looking for. So that's very weird that it's not letting me do beyond that geometry. But I'm guessing that the sketch is the only thing that might be stopping me to actually make the profile. Let me try. Let me think more about it. So if this is not what works, then we need to find some other solution, right? Intersection? Maybe intersection. Could be. Okay, these two lines. This will work. I'm guessing this will work. So construction, I hope this will. This line with the top, hopefully it works. Coincide. Okay, now I have that. Maybe. I'm not sure. Maybe. No. Same issue. The same issue. The same issue it showed initially. It's going to show it again. 14 I'm trying to make, but it's not going to let me. Okay, not a problem. There must be other ways. We're just trying to find. Play it around. Let's see what could be other ways of doing this. So 24 is not exactly clear what exactly 24 distance is. Hmm. Or if it's the other way around. It looks like it's coming from top till the bottom. I think this is not an arc initially. It could be a line coming downwards, right? And then an arc inwards. Then a 3-point arc inwards. 2 and 3. There we go. Maybe this. I'm not sure yet, but I'm optimistic about this approach. Could be the reason. And where this point ends till here, it's going to be 24. There we go. Alright, doesn't look good, but hopefully, tangent. I'm not sure at all. Nah, it's not going to let me do that. Okay, never mind. I mean, it's weird, but it should have worked, to be honest. If I try to add thickness to this, let's see. Let me try the other way around. Let's see. Okay, this works. I can add thickness if I want to. Second offset 5 as well. Okay, it's weird, but I think this might work as well. I just added some thickness just to see that, okay, whether I'm able to make this part or not. Okay, there are so many features that I'm taking out right now. Ah, there we go. I'm just trying to measure it. Where's my measuring tool? Where's my measuring tool? Where is my measuring? Right here. Sorry about all these features that I don't even need. I'm just going to eliminate them. All these analysis and all. Picture. Okay. Measure it. I'm just going to use measure. This thing needs to be 14. This is 10 right now. Okay. I need to use thickness as 7 and 7. So 7 and 7 on each side. Click OK. There we go. We have it. So yeah, I mean, this is not the best approach. I'm not gonna lie, because this profile is not sure. I'm not sure about this particular profile right here, what it actually is. Initially, it looks something like something weird, but now it looks really suspicious as well at the same time. So I'm not sure. I'm just guessing it. But yeah. So, but you got an idea like how to use feature, whatever the profile eventually is, right? So this is one way of making it. For some reason, my stiffness stops working. I know it's very weird, but again, some of the things are very weird in terms of software to software. I'm going to make position sketch. So the distance is 20 from one side, as I can see. From here till here is 20. Double click 20 right here. And the diameter itself is, okay, I can offset the diameter and it looks that is 30 from here till here. Double click 30 right there. Looks good. I can exit out. Diameter is going to be how much? 15 diameter. And thickness is going to be how much? Thickness is not mentioned. Thickness is going to be through all up to last. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mirror it. And how will I mirror it? I can simply find mirror option. But I think I've closed it by mistake. So I need to find it right here. Surface based tool transformation. Oh, my bad. Transformation features. Surface based transformation features. And there we go. Mirror. This particular hole with respect to what mirroring element is the right plane itself. Click OK. There we go. Enjoy. So thank you so much for watching this video. That's our complete part. I hope you like it. It was more of a challenging part than the other ones. The only part in this video that was slightly unclear is the profile of this right here, because that 24 dimension was slightly inappropriate in my understanding, that it's not properly defined anyways. So, but you still got an idea to how to design the part in case if you need to, and how to apply the different features that would be required to make this sort of part anyway in future. If you have any doubt, ask me in my comment section. Otherwise, stay tuned for upcoming videos, and thank you so much for watching this one. Take it easy. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.